May 15 na partner schools ang Metrobank Scholarship Program for academic years 2026 to 2030. We'll go over them in alphabetical order. First, Ateneo de Davao University in Davao City. Number 2, Ateneo de Naga University sa Naga City. Number 3, Central Luzon State University sa Nueva Ecija. Number 4, Central Philippine University sa Iloilo. Number 5, Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila sa NCR. Number 6, another school sa NCR, Philippine Normal University. Number 7, Polytechnic University of the Philippines na nasa NCR din. Number 8, St. Louis University sa Baguio City. Number 9, Silliman University sa Dumaguete City. Number 10, University of Mindanao sa Davao City. Number 11, University of San Jose Recoletos, Cebu City. Number 12, University of Santo Tomas sa NCR. Ang next two schools ay mga campuses ng University of the Philippines. Number 13, UP Diliman. And number 14, UP Manila. And lastly, number 15, Xavier University sa Cagayan de Oro City. I want to highlight na sa bawat partner school, meron lamang specific na eligible courses para sa scholarship na ito.